Hi guys, hope you had an amazing AILET yesterday. I'm Aditya and I'm here to discuss a few tips and techniques to be taken care of before you take Common Law admission test, which is about to happen on 28th of September. Now, the first thing to be kept in mind is to get out of your AILET or other exams ka zone. CLAT is to be taken afresh. You are supposed to be mentally prepared for this examination. The second thing is to be completely oblivious to nervousness. A lot of students, they end up not scoring well. Why? Because they are nervous in the examination. Notwithstanding the fact that there are around 70,000 applicants who are giving this examination, you are supposed to be steady, back your preparation and back yourself. You have done enough to get into one of the best national law universities, and with your preparation, with the belief in your preparation, you'll be able to do well, right? So that is the second thing. You are supposed to back yourself up, have enough confidence in yourself, right? The third thing to be taken care of is the fact that you are supposed to use this final day to revise and structure everything which you have done till now. So be it mock solving or a particular formula in a, in a section, or a particular approach to a question, all of that has to be uh, dealt with. All of that has to be structured and all of that has to be revised again, right? So make sure that you do not take up anything new. Revise what you have already done. Structure your brain in a way that it is giving you enough confidence to take the paper tomorrow, right? The fourth thing will be not to take any mocks today. Do not take any full-fledged mocks. It's not advisable. What you can do is you can take up a few small tests in various sections. That will suffice, but do not attempt a full-fledged mock, right? The fifth thing will be to back your already made strategy. So however you have been attempting the mocks, so जिस तरीके से you have been strategizing or you have been approaching the paper, that is the strategy which you want to replicate in the actual common law admission test. Do not change that now. Back it. It will definitely do wonders for you, right? Do not listen to your friends saying that by legal to pehle karega to you will score well. Do not do that. Whatever has been working for you clearly is you want that to replicate in the actual common law admission test as well. So you should ideally approach the actual common law admission test in the same manner as you have been doing in mocks. For those of you who who are not sure of how do I approach the paper, going for smaller sections like general knowledge and maths could be an option which you would want to include, right? The sixth thing will be to take care of the time per section in the actual common law admission test. You are supposed to be aware of how much time you are spending in each and every section. So ideally, you should be aware of how the clock is ticking, how the timer is going, and all of that is supposed to be taken care of. The other thing which I wanted to discuss is the fact that before you attempt a particular section, make sure that you gauge through all the passages in that particular section just to identify which is the difficult question, which one is the easy one, and then accordingly approach the section. The last thing which you have to keep in mind is the fact that you are or rather replica of what you have done in the past year or past many months as you have been preparing for common law admission test. Is din kuch nahi hone wala hai. If you think that I can, I will read for 24 25, whatever time I have been left with, and I'll do wonders in common law admission test, this is not going to happen. This will be counterproductive. Be aware of that. Try and back whatever you have read till now. Revise it. You can take small tests, that will suffice, right? Now a few instructions which are included in common law admission test admit card as well. You are supposed to take your admit card along with you. There you can see the self declaration form which you are supposed to duly fill in along with your signature. Saath mein you should carry a valid identity proof. So be it your PAN card, your voter ID card, your Aadhaar card, driving license, so on and so forth. You can carry that. What else you can carry is a blue or black ballpoint pen, along with it a water bottle and a sanitizer ka bottle. Apart from it, I don't think you are supposed to carry anything else. People who have applied for PWD scribe are supposed to carry their PWD certificate, right? And all of you should ideally reach 1 hour before the actual time of the common law admission test. You are supposed to get the exact time as well today, I'm assuming. But just to be on the safer side, make sure you reach 1 hour before the actual common law admission test. Right. So all the best from IMS family to you. And we all hope that you are going to do wonders in this examination.